I think taking it a little more ahead rather than just in last 12 months, but in the first phase, perhaps after 2000, we had people going more towards quality. And now in this second phase for the last 5, 6 years, there's definitely, and I'm going to differ here with him, there's a lot of change in terms of people's mindset, and maybe may not be much change in retail stores, but when it comes to restaurants and casual dine and eating out, people want to just experiment. And if you see a lot of like Domino's had launched, 4 different types of cheeses, which was the innovation in pizza. People are trying different types of dosa. People are trying different types of dal, makhni. People want to innovate, perhaps not at home, but when they're going out, they definitely want to try something very different because that's the opportunity to experiment. And the biggest change, I think, is of people wanting to do something exotic, try something different, and that mindset of being willing to experiment. I think that itself is a very big change, and hopefully that'll continue, and it'll allow more categories to open up eventually. I mean, many years ago, I remember as part of the hotel business, if you wanted mozzarella cheese like 18 years ago, it was it was impossible basically. Then you had one supplier who started, and then he tried and failed, and had cases fought on him that you can't use the word mozzarella, and so a lot of people had to suffer in the cause of innovation, which we've come through that cycle. So now things will hopefully get easier from here.